Today we will discuss about depth queuing tool in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. When selecting a view, the depth queuing is used to illuminate nearby objects and view to fade for objects. Depth queuing creates the effect of depth by having objects fade into the background color with increasing distance from the viewer. We first talk about the availability of depth queuing, that it is found in which views. Depth queuing tool is available only in sections and elevations, and the section or elevation should also be architectural or coordination discipline only. This tool is not available in other disciplines, for example, in structural, mechanical, electrical, or plumbing disciplines. We create a section view to better understand depth queuing tool. We hide the crop view and crop region visibility of the section view so that the view is maximum visible to us, and set the view for clipping on clip without line so that we can get view best effect and better performance. Let's set the view style realistic of section view. After these settings, I will explain you about depth queuing in the floor plan, that how does this tool works. After that, we will practice it in section view. So, let's select the floor plan. Select the graphic display options in view style for depth queuing. And in the fourth row of the graphic display options, expand the depth queuing with the arrow keys. As I told you earlier, that depth queuing is only available in sections and elevations. Therefore, show depth checkbox in the floor plan is unavailable. Now you have to understand how this tool works. The section line where is starting from is the fade starting location, and the section depth is fade end location. Section depth distance is the 100% area of fade start and end location. Fade area will adjust itself automatically 100% according to modification of section depth. Now we select the section view. If a discipline other than architectural or coordination is selected, the depth queuing does not available. We select the mechanical discipline and look at it practically. Depth queuing is not available in graphic display options. We reselect this view in architectural discipline. This tool is available in architectural discipline. Now let's check the show depth box. Fade start location begins from the section line. What value we assign in the near fade start location will begins just according to the given value beyond the section line. We can give any numerically value, or you can drag the double slider manually with the help of mouse. If the fade start location is assigned to 50, then previous area will not be affected. Similarly, the 100 value of for box shows the fade end location, which is equal to the section depth or for clip offset. The less we give than 100, the fade end location will be at the same distance from the clip offset. After that, there is a fade limit. The lower the percentage, the more the view becomes light. And as the percentage increases, the view will become darker. The fade limit can be controlled with the help of a slider or numerically value. Also, if you want to get objects shadows from sun direction, click on shadows from view control bar. You can set up custom quality to get a good view presentation. Depth cueing settings can be saved as a view template to apply same settings to multiple views. So save it as a view template. Save this view template with any name and apply this view template on different views. So, in today's topic, we have studied the depth cueing tool in Revit. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos, BIM Talks.